Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends, I'm Leo, and I'm here with the amazing Mia.
Hey everyone. Today we have a very special topic, how to focus on yourself.
Yes, because sometimes we spend so much time worrying about others, right?
Exactly. But don't worry, we will show you simple English phrases and ways to talk about self-focus in your daily life.
Mia, do you ever feel like your mind is just everywhere? Like, oh, I should text my friend. Oh, I need to reply to my email. Oh, what's for dinner?
Yes. And then you look at the clock, and half the day is gone.
Exactly. That's why today we will learn how to focus on yourself and also how to say it in simple English.
So, if you want to feel relaxed, happy, and improve your English too, stay with us.
Okay, let's start simple. How do we tell someone politely that we need some time for ourselves?
You can say, I need some time for myself.
Perfect. Repeat after me. I need some time for myself.
I need some time for myself.
Great. And sometimes we can also say, I want to focus on my goals today.
Oh, yes. That's a very positive way to say it.
Let's do a quick role play. Imagine your friend is calling you and you want to focus on studying.
Hi. Oh, I'm so happy you called. But today, I want to focus on my goals. Can we talk tomorrow?
Perfect. Short, polite, and clear.
Now, another one. Imagine someone is always giving advice and it's distracting you. How do you say it politely?
You can say, thank you for your advice, but I want to try on my own.
Repeat after me. Thank you for your advice, but I want to try on my own.
Thank you for your advice, but I want to try on my own.
Nice. That's a polite way to set boundaries.
Leo, I think sometimes people forget to enjoy simple things like reading, walking, or just drinking coffee alone.
Yes. And we can say in English, I am enjoying my me time.
Repeat after me. I am enjoying my me time.
I am enjoying my me time.
Now let's make it funny. Imagine someone says, are you ignoring me?
Oh, you can say, no, I'm just focusing on myself.
Yes. Short, funny, and clear.
And another important phrase, I am taking a break from social media.
Oh, yes. Because social media can distract you so much.
Exactly. Repeat with me. I am taking a break from social media.
I am taking a break from social media.
Another useful phrase is when you want to focus but someone asks you to join an activity.
You can politely say, thanks for inviting me, but I need some time alone.
Repeat after me. Thanks for inviting me, but I need some time alone.
Also, when you want to explain to yourself or someone else why you are doing something,
Yes. Example, I am focusing on myself to feel better and happier.
so positive. Let's say it together. I am focusing on myself to feel better and happier.
I am focusing on myself to feel better and happier.
Another tip, simple English phrases for daily routines. I am reading my favorite book. I am going for a walk. I am listening to music.
All simple, clear, and easy for beginners. And you can use these to tell your friends or practice speaking alone.
Yes! And it also makes your English natural and confident.
Okay, friends, quick recap. We learned, I need some time for myself. I want to focus on my goals today. Thank you for your advice, but I want to try on my own. I am enjoying my me time. I am taking a break from social media. Thanks for inviting me, but I need some time alone.
Now, mini quiz time.
Question. You are busy studying and your friend asks you to play. How do you politely say you need time for yourself?
Type your answer in the comments or say it out loud. Hint, use one of our phrases from today.
Exactly. You got it if you said something like, I need some time for myself. Or, thanks, but I need some time alone.
That's all for today. Remember, focusing on yourself is not selfish, it's smart and healthy.
Yes. Practice these phrases every day and your English will improve naturally.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And enjoy your me time.
Exactly. See you next time with more fun English lessons.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.